Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to request money in Google Pay. Ever needed to ask for money without making it awkward? That's exactly what Google Pay is for. Basically, the hey, you still owe me button, but civilized. To request money, first open Google Pay and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the home screen, look for the Pay or Send section, then tap Request. Next, choose the contact you want to request money from. You can search by name, phone number, or email, or even create a group request if you're splitting bills with multiple friends. Once you've selected the person, enter the amount you want to request and confirm. Google Pay will send them a payment request notification, and it will sit there until they either pay or politely ignore it while pretending they don't see it. You can cancel the request anytime before it's accepted. Once the person approves and pays, the money goes directly into your Google Pay balance or linked bank account. That's it. No awkward reminders needed, just a clean digital nudge that says your turn. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.